I'm seeing a micro pullback on the 1 minute, guys. At 280 here, starting to form, but it's not quite ready on the 5. So being patient there. That's what I wanted to see, a pullback, and see what happens on this pullback here. But other than that, guys, it's not really. I took one stab of PDSB for I got filled at 650 and got out at 649, so pretty much a break even trade or 1 cent loss on it. It's moving again, but the fact that it's easy to borrow is choppy, and this is a big seller, 20,000 seller at 278. So watching him to drive the market down because it's not going to be enough buying to absorb that seller right now. So at that high price. It's starting to thicken out. I mean, the move's just not clean, guys. That's why I haven't taken it. It's just not clean. A 278. Buying that field at 278. Watching this dip off the 5 minute MMA. I could have got in a little bit too early here. This is what I seen. I bought the dip off 278, kind of pushed down to 276. I could be a little early here. I want to see a immediate turn around here. Watching this form, just having a little discipline to let it form out. See if we're going to get the bottom bounce off the 9 MMA. Back up towards the 280, 85 level. Right now, 277 by 276. Pretty much break even at 278. See if we can get a higher move here. $51 seller at 279. Off that 5 minute, I'm looking at this pattern starting to form here, and I'm just watching this. It's a big seller at 279. Let's see if we can break that seller. I feel like we break the seller at we might get a nice pop. Watching this to see how how the market take this big seller at 279. Feel like we break this seller, we might get a nice pop to 280, 282. That's 278. Yeah, it's just. And I just bailed out for $11 loss plus commission. So it's nothing there. And that's 2 losses right there. So, I mean, it was been kind of tough. Been kind of tough. And I had 2 losses on one, so I'm probably was better not to even, try to take an attempt today. That's just all we've been seeing. It's just nothing have been solid. Just right now, I'm just losing money in commissions. So don't make much sense to do that. So on that note, guys, I'm going to end it right there. I already took 2 stabs. You can see this broke. It only broke by 2 cents after all that buying. So this is not a market. It's, not a move. It's going about 4 cents. Other than a 5 cent winner. It's just not. It's 10:13. It's the afternoon. It's just not a day that you want to just linger around. So now it's going again. I don't know. I'm not down much on the stock, but this is like my third attempt, and I think I'm just gonna be disciplined here. I got shaken out twice. I'm expecting resistance at the whole dollar here. So I got shaken out on the trade that I would have hold it. I want to say we can probably break through $3. I'm not sure. This is something I want to watch, guys. Hold on. Stand by. We're getting a lot of activity here. That's the thing about the market. One turnaround right now, it's extended. Let's pay attention to this. I mean, you guys stacks of sellers. This way extended. Just sitting back and waiting for some type of correction. This thing is going parabolic. It's a share buyback, but that's what I want. So let's see. We can get this push back down. See if we can ride momentum back up. So right now I'm down $11 and 9 cents plus commissions. Nothing major. I see a pattern form. I didn't take it because number one, I'm asking myself, is this going to get, as the move is going to be something that's nice. This stock, as I was watching it open, it's been popping back. I didn't catch none of the activity. I did take a stab and then I got shaken out. I'm actually, it's my biggest loser right now. And then it makes a move from 283 right after I sold. I think I sold at 278 and it goes all the way up to 295. So head out with a hold, yeah. And here I'm waiting to the 5 minute. It's kind of extended, level off. Next 5 minute come in, push down, and I take another stab back towards the high of 301. 5 minute is just 1 minute form this like micro pullback, but it's, to me, it's just not ready. The 5 minutes not ready. The OG there. You see? Oh no. Not that. It just wasn't clean to me. It just wasn't clean. Let me take a look at this. I entered this trade for a reversal at I'm filled at 280, and my thinking here, as we've been seeing these pops and drops, that we'll give a move back down to 270, 268. I see a shooting star doji, so I'm just giving this some time to work. What I'm thinking is on this one, on this short that I entered, that the average buyer that's sitting down pressing the buy button didn't see the beginning of the activity on this stock and just buying blindly. And I figured that it would be more of a range to the downside than up. So that's why I took this trade initially. I'm still in my short position at 278. getting squeezed down here. Uh, right now it's 288 by 86 on this. Still thinking that the average buyer just jumping in and riding this momentum, not knowing that the stock has been just popping all over the place. $293, down $70 now. Got a mental stop on this one. Trying to give it a little room to work. Just popped up. 288. I want to see it back below the whole $1.07. Watching this thing. Buying it back for a $51 profit at 270. Now it's showing 272, so I'm up $42 on that one. It popped up to 270, and then right here, the dip, buying the dip at 572. Watching the move here. I bought the dip at 572. To see if we can capture some of that move from a high of 707. $7.11. So I bought the dip at 572. See if we can capture some of that move. It dropped to $7.11 down to a low of 766. So I'm pretty much at the bottom here. My thinking is 85. As buyers, momentum should start to come in here. This is a bottom bounce reversal off the low. Give it take some time. This is a tricky one. I'm in the max 5 at 572. Definitely in max shares based off that move that we just seen. Seeing some green. I'm in at 572, 539 shares off a bottom bounce. It's still flatline here. See if we can get the push back up to 580, 575, then 580. A move all the way to 711. So definitely have the volume that came in late. This is something you gotta be active. See if we can capture some of that move towards back to 575, then 580. 573 by 70 on the AX, 3-cent spread. $571, $572 on the AX. $74. So we're going to see 75, then 80. $75, 76. $77. Sold out at so the whole thing at 75. And after that, guys, that's gonna do it. I'm gonna close it down right there. A great idea to get the reversal at the top of that move. 176, 77. It definitely wasn't ready to continue moving higher. However, I'm going to stop. I'm walking away with $59 in profits. So that's the break of 80. That's the move that I was talking about. I'm not going to chase it. I'll walk away green. Started off red. View. So account value. So I collected up some commissions, about $23 in commissions. Not that much, but however, I did walk away with $50. So after commissions, I'm up about $26. Another growth on my account, and I'll be back in the market first thing tomorrow morning. It was pretty interesting here. I'm actually going to shorten the video as well, but to see that move take off from here it started initially here, and I'm thinking like, okay, maybe like it's been popping and dropping, so I was cautious on it, and then plus it's easy to borrow, so I'm thinking like, okay, maybe I got in too early, so when it popped back up, it hit this initial break here. I'm like, okay, this is looking pretty good. It hit this pop here, and I got in at 678. So I got in at 678 for a short. I'm thinking, well, if we can I got in at 678. If we can get back towards, if we've been popping up, maybe we'll drop, and then it hit an initial move from 678 up to $7.11. So this was made me. It was right up in here. It made me like, okay, did I make a mistake? And then we had this huge sell-off. So it was like, okay, that is kind of what I wanted to see here as it's starting to climb back up. So my sale here was at, I bought at 672. I sold at 675 and 539 shares. My initial sale was 680. Actually, 539 shares at 680, and then I filled those shares at I bought them back at 670, so about roughly around 10 cent, a 10-cent winner. So roughly 10-cent winner. I'm gonna close it there. This was the first short in the account. Like I said, this one was just opportune because I seen it taking off, and I knew for a fact it was going to have a huge swing. Had if I would have got the 11 from 7-11, if I would have been a little more patient, I could have had a better move on it, but it worked out. I'm going to stop the broadcast, and I'll be back on the market first thing tomorrow morning.